Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove someone from Asana. All right. For example, someone just left the business, okay? Or someone have resigned. So what we're going to do to remove them on our Asana workspace is just go ahead over to the left panel right here. And then under team, click on the specific workspace. Just click on it. Now, as you can see here, we have this section for members. All right. Just click on view all. Now wait for the new page to load. Now, once you're in here, as you can see in my team, there are 3, including myself. Okay. So what we're going to do to remove a person is just go ahead over to the name. For example, I'm going to remove this account. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead over to the 3 dots right here that says show options. Just click on it. And as you can see here, we have the option to remove. Just click on it and there will be a pop-up. This email will no longer be able to access this workspace, including projects and tasks assigned to them. If you're really sure, just click on the pink button that says remove. Click on it and it says here, this email was removed from this workspace. And as you can see here, it's gone as well. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.